Hello viewers, welcome to back again. Now I am share new earning application. Already $10 TRX receive. Okay, my available balance $30. Please subscribe to my channel TM Social Market YouTube channel. Okay, and join my Telegram channel. All update share Telegram. Okay, join my must be open TRX wallet address. Okay, $10 payment receive today. Complete all payment receive. Okay, join my Telegram channel must be, and app link video description. Download and games play and earning unlimited. Okay, and next withdraw I am share. Okay, I am withdraw TRX and withdraw available TRX, USDT, PayPal and Dana and unlimited. Okay, TRX address paste and withdrawal successfully. My available balance $20. Okay, record option I'm just click now, $10. Okay, and my all record history unlimited earning now, and puzzle game same app. Okay, puzzle game level up and unlimited coins. Okay, one level complete 0.10 cent free. Okay, and invite and earning process available now. Okay, I'm just click now invitation option, team option. I'm just click now, and refer code use must be my refer code use. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel TM Social Market YouTube channel.